Good morning, my brother. Emana ngwala ono na ayaputago and ayapụta this time with another frequency. Go onye Jeremiah Zomta, I'm okay. I'm doing great. Yeah? I'm doing great. And we are back full. We are fully back. Yeah? We are fully back with a different frequency. Go? Always something on no hand. They said that na ndị choosing other a reply in the mad na have disciplined. They later said again na ndị choosing ya reply you but na fa ya akpọghị akpa amụ na ha ya akpọghị onye lileli na ha ya akpọghị ofeke na ha ya akpọghị onye ala na ha ya akpọghị akwụna na ha ya akpọghị all manner of names. Share this video ka iwe kpa nkata njọ ka ikpa oke na olu mu we bia na akọwarụ gị ife etu o si wee dụ ịchọ ịghọta ịchọghị ịghọta ngụ ka ọ dụlụ mana mma ada akọwarụ gị na-atụpe ihe azụ maka esimolu wee bịa a sịrị na ndị chuzi na-ada akpụ iyi na ha dị disciplined na ha dị gentle mana ndị Zion na-akpụ iyi na-akpọ mmadụ ofeke na-akpọ mmadụ akwụna na-akpọ mmadụ akpa amụ ya na-asị mmadụ I am quoting them all. Share this video ka nkupelu nwe obele ka ịghọta maka na akọwakwa n'ụlọ gị ịghọta akọwa ha ọlụgụ ya aghọta. I have never seen a people who will want to be doing something with unu echedu na unu ya atụọ mmadụ dewe mmadụ ka osisi onye aha wulu ngwu ịghọtago ịtụọ mmadụ ka osisi dewe onye aha ka osisi onye aha wulu ngwu ịchọrọ ka ị na-emegheri ịchọrọ ka ị na-misbehave without those people reacting. A choosing can only be a choosing, and a Zionite can only be a Zionite. Very simple. You got to go? A choosing can only be a choosing, and a Zionite can be a Zionite. Ebukobi is the leader of Zion Ministry, while Pastor Azros Moka is the leader of Lord Choosing Charismatic Renewal. You got to go? They are different groups of people, but in the same body of Christ. You got to go? Onweda no onye choosing ese na ala gbawo. Also, God bless you. Onweda no onye choosing na ikpolo ofeke. Also, God bless you. Onweda no onye choosing na ikpolo abamu. Also, God bless you. The difference there is that na afani no na akpo chasicha na yende Zion. The only crime they committed is that they served you with the same cup. Iji serve. Now they like you ka akpo ya abamu. Mana iye eji ono ukpo ya mmadu. Isho ka akpo ofeke. Mana iye akpo mmadu ofeke. Isho ka akpo onye ala. Mana iye akpo mmadu onye ala. Ụfọdụ n'ime unu amaghị ife. Ụfọdụ n'ime unu amaghị ife mana unu amaghị. Look at Ejike J Park na ndị otu every day na bịa na Facebook na ara ntigharị. The only if na ewu na iwe ewu na ndị choosing na reply to you people. You want to have a free ride. You want to be the only one talking and analyzing. But you don't want people to counter what you have said. That is the only crime the Zion committed. That is the only crime they committed. The only crime they committed is serving you with the same cup. Carrying you in the same vehicle which you carried them. Now, if you know that na that cup, why serve them in the first place? It was you who acted first that should be condemned because you are the source of the problem. Or onu na-ekwuru okwu butere ose nyelu. Or na-ekwuru okwu butere ose nyelu. Or how are you? Butere, I am fine. Oh, thank you very much. Oh, thank you, Buteru. You are welcome. Oh, hello, Buteru. How are you? So how can you talk about how are you now without talking about hello? That is what you people want to make us to see things. No, it will go wedo. So, no, look, powa mi can go say na mu onye nke Christ. Can go say na mu nwa nke Chineke. E na akpo mi yi ma pogwaro. Eh? Godwin Mexico. Ma inbox my number now. I will inbox my, but each my number now. Each my number. You gotta go. Even killing ma, I cannot even pronounce your name. You gotta go. You was to fake. Okay, follow. Also, when this guy, you are just a jobless ever. If you onafubo hife. Onafubo dife. Onafubo hife. Ono kana fifafu. Ono kana fifafu. Ono ne bakwa. Ono kana fifafu. Ono kana bakwa. How shall I go? You say, God bless you. How go? You say, may God protect and guide you. How go? You say, may the peace of the Lord be with you. How go? You say, may your mother live long. You say, may your father live long. How say only the job bless? You say, may your workplace be bountifully rewarded. Also, see if you have you gotta go. Eventually, ufeke do kayo, no need replying to feke do kayo. Owo no honey wo feke. Owo no honey mahife. Kedifi yeji we be about where you know that you are not supposed to be here. You gotta go. Inwela akolo. Inwela akolo we no leba. Ne onye nwe akolo. Ogori onye nwele efe na aya akpu. So for the mere fact that you know here, ogosi ni nwele efe we be na aya akpu. Why are you here? If you are busy, you shouldn't be here. So you are as jobless as I am. We are two jobless people. No, see, amalo onye kado better between these two jobless people. Now nde Zion onye gori onye gori onye gori je shot okwimi ya onye ahụ gologo je chota nke kado more heavy wori cover nke ahụ gologo to ye Kogbunigwe. Onye gogi je chota nke kalele nke ahụ ogologo tụọ ye Kogbunigwe. Boom. You gotta go. They want to be serving you the kind of tea they cannot drink. They want to be serving you the kind of food they cannot eat. When they serve you the same, when you serve them the same food they serve you, they will start crying. Look at J-Park Kunde Zion ida akpari mmadu. Kelu onye kpalele mmadu na Facebook karịa J-Park okwu anyị ọnụ. Kelu onye kpalele mmadu na Facebook karịa J-Park okwu anyị ọnụ. Do unto others the way you will want others to do unto you. Obolo mmu kurie. Go. Obolo mmu kurie. What goes around comes around. You receive the same energy that you give. So, all na manulu epo mmadu ofeke. Akpokwa ofeke. Nalukwe in good faith. There is no way iyesi wolo okute. For example now, ekwugo nyugbo no nesego go na mmadu na anu ogo. Iweje water bottle we pia ye. Iya gwo nya ahụ na ebe pia ye bottle. No ya pekwa bottle mo no ya akwago mmiri. I nwere ike ipi onye ahụ bottle onye ahụ ewepụta egbe gbaa. Inwe ike ipi onye ahụ bottle onye ahụ ewepụta mma gbuo. Onya ka eji agwa na every action will equal. The reaction may be equal, it may not be equal. But you cannot definitely determine the reaction that you will get from that action in you. Because we are dealing with people here. So what I don't understand is why they will comfortably want to na go but they are expecting you ka ị ghara ịda agụ ha iyi. Since ha ma na ịda agụ iyi Iwaji ife, why do they choose to be doing that? But the only problem is that you are not supposed to do that because you are worshiping God. Yeah? Right from the days of John the Baptist, the kingdom of God suffered violence, and the violent ones taken it by force. That we have activated that part of the scripture a long time ago. We have activated it and we are not taking it back. You want to go? Onye dele base no ife melu edeju ebe nwe. Onye akwuchala okwu niile, because indeed o ife melu edeju ebe nwe. Ono kpana ebe usiefu. Emokori na afa na iyi niile a na-ekwu na ndị Zion na-agụ mmadụ no originated from somewhere. Ndị eriri kele ebe ndị eriri si wepụta. Ofeke kele ebe ofeke si wepụta. Kele ebe ofeke kelu ha okoko kele ebe ụmụ okoko si wepụta. Ụmụ atụrụ Zion kele ebe ụmụ atụrụ Zion si wepụta. Na inwe ha akọrọ na edo jobless kele ebe o si wepụta. All those iyi niile akpa amụ kele ebe kele ndị originated iyi niile ahụ. So unu originated ife ya wakpo ụlọ ya ada unu mma. So ị chọrọ ka ọ wụrụ sọsọ ngo ya ada ama mmadụ ụla. Mana olu time aya amagwalago echetara onye ahụ na Bible kwuru amaghị ụla na ntị nka. Goton kwari ya ntị nka. Ha gọọ iyi. Jee activate ye iyi from the third chamber of the heaven. Go ye nke do more annoying and more painful. Yes, if you no go see no na-emetụ ha. Ọwụ na ọha emetụ ha, ha ya dey ekwu about it. Ọ na-emetụ ha. They just want you to sit down. Ha kpọrọ ewu, ha kpọrọ atụrụ, ha kpọrọ ofeke, ha kpọrọ niile eme mmegheri. E na-asị ha bless you, bless you, bless you, bless you, bless you kwa na onwu na ebe a. Bless you kwa na onwu na ebe a. Since unu feel na that plate of rice is very delicious, I will eat it and you will eat it. In fact, you will eat it in full dosage. Yes, you will eat it in full dosage. Do me, I do you. God no go vex. Do me, I do you. God no go vex. In a lot of people wanna look because of Ifa Hanako. In order to say, God will fight for you. Let's leave judgment for God. Hey, make do if in oneself hashire wadumo. Oh, hey, to a candle Johnny in and na Igbo swe puonko. Because now it's not that Nandem Madame if I am mefa. A lot of nde efulu nezucho hinob mandana pachansi. It's not as if Nandoba ama if I am, but you are leaving them for God. You are leaving them for God. When you know the right thing you will do to them, they will taste a piece of their own medicine. Then they will check whether, hey, nanefa pneumonia. So no, so no, this is how painful if I pneumonia. If you don't serve them, if you don't only jimma, actually go begonu. It will home catch up you from water. Go for how painful, a catch up rock by Yahoo. Go when one is can young one natural to go boogie, how painful I don't know boo, or young one echinine or come much over one nation or come much over also. You want to go? Onya ka eyejifu ụmụazị na-atụ akwụkwọ, ụmụazị na-atụ ndị ọcha mgbada, na-anakọrọ ndị ọcha ego, na-alụ even local here, na-ana ndị be anyị ego local here. Ọ wụrụ na ha jegwute onye ọcha ego ahụ, onye Nigeria ebe a daizie ego ha na-aza, efo ha na-aba. They have just tasted a piece of their own medicine. Ọ na-afụ ha nke akwụkwọ ego onye ọcha, ego onye ọcha ka a na-ekwu na anyị gburu mmadụ. Ego onye ọcha ka a na-ekwu na anyị gburu mmadụ. Imagine ọwụrụzie ego nyanwa. So repeatedly people keep dishing out what they can clearly not accommodate or take. That is it. Ihe anọrọ ebe a lugide onye ọcha ọrụ, onye ọcha elechasịcha ife niile nye ya ego. Ụfọdụ n'ime ndị ọcha ahụ ejekwa ụdọ, ụfọdụ eje mmapụ na moto na-aga aga. Edo very okay because na-enyego gị ego ahụ iburu edebe na-eri. Ofu nwa ụmụchu ma ofu onye nnọkwa etiziri ego na aza ya wotazie 60% of the money daa ya 40 na aza ịkwụgharịwa na alụsị chọba ebe ihe ejetụ mmadụ na alụsị ịghọtago ịkwụgharịwa bawa ị na-aba mana ife ahụ ife imelu mmadụ jegoro jipu na-agba na-enwe aṅụrị na-akwụ n'elu na-apọpụ champagne nya ka emerụ ihe ewe. Well, Humphrey, Zion is not choosing. Choosing is choosing. Zion is Zion. You gotta go. Zion is Zion. Choosing is choosing. So, ime onye choosing or say, oh, God bless you. One ime onye Zion, you go collect. So, since you have understand that, why can't you focus on choosing and forget about Zion? You even Ofunne namu mana ofu Chineke. I have a younger brother. Otu nwoke na otu nwaanyị mụrụ mụ na. But we may behave in different ways. Yes. Mekene nu nde choose ni ifu nu melu nde Zion. Ka ịmalụ. Ịmakwa unu kpala ebe egu si efu. Unu no katara cho it take a lot of things for granted. Owuru na ebejisi hu na ọdụ. Dewu na ebu unu belongolo. Una aka gbafe na ga Shagamu ga Lagos sef mana Lagos ka ị na-ejo mana ịgago Lagos mana akachasịrị ụlọ ọkpa dewu na ebu unu bilongolo unu na-ebe unu chọkọ unu kpala mụrụ amụrụ so unu nwee freedom. Nwanne, it is very simple in my dictionary. Do to others how you will want them to do unto you. If you activate this principle in your life, if you won't do it to another person. But it is an ofekeic behavior. This ofekeic behavior, see from my own dictionary, it is an ofekeic behavior that you will keep dishing out what you cannot accept. It is an ofekeic behavior that you will keep dishing out what you cannot accept. You can owe people, but people will not owe you because there is a reason why people cannot owe you. But you have 500 reasons why you are owing somebody. Have you seen? That is why we are a bylaw today. That is a reason why we are where we are today. You have 100% reason why you are doing what you are doing, but another person don't have any reason at all. Ojuwene mi for name. Stephen Enokereke. Owone na asem make you see fake miracle first. Then you will agree with me that na miracles ni melu na ngobala doreo. You will agree with me na miracle ni melu na choosing doreo. Because you have clearly not done anything about them. So does it mean that those miracles are real? Ezugo, why can't you see that this Christianity, both sides are proclaimed to be, is the attitude of choosing, had proven that they are portrayed that Christianity and life by their behavior? Oscar, if you put mouth and hand where Zion is, you go collect. That is my answer to you. It was speed too much, overspeed your boundary, even the Zion no. You go collect. If also is it not clear? Even in a remember, I am not seeing it. I'm not seeing it. If you in a poor Bible is go because only in Eba and click love and like. If also a hand our voices must be heard. What against you what they say so. All know who can nepu. But as far as you can now, well, you cannot continue to do something when people, why are they always against people talking back? Why are they always against people? They are not against Igbo. They are against a particular people. That is insane. To me, I don't see it as sanity. They are not against disrespect. They are not against insult. They are against a certain group of people insulting people or calling people names. But they are in support of another group insulting the other group. Who does that in this 21st century? If you do anyhow, you must collect. Yes. Maybe nde lo choosing unu melukwa lo ha hebe ya unu meluo. Onwo any of them unu gori yi so far. Onwo any of them unu gori yi so far. Ombo unu bido goba hi ayamaro na go hi ha go gwalo kwa. Yes. Flumsy. Obolo na iwu a charlatan and a tout. It will take a charlatan and a tout to deal with you. That is what it is. Yes. If you put bottle, you go collect. If you have proven yourself that it is right when you become a charlatan and a tout, but onye Zion, I suppose a charlatan and a tout to confront a charlatan and a tout, dokan. If rona ni wofeke, if rona ni wofeke, if even jabu no feke. If even you are only justifying why what if I decide to be ofeke? Can we kuzero lesson yagota? What in the only ni ofeke decide ya no feka he woni ye change nata? A yirikwa ma wo ofeke we kuzero ga okwe yagota. Unu na ebe akwa na nkete. Unu na ebe akwa na nkete. Akwa unu na ebe ewu for nothing. You people have to do anything. You are anywhere unu unu choko unu kpala mola amulo. Asonye Zion ewu. Asonye Zion ewu. Ago yi. Dey sure. In fact, ogo negi. Dey sure because for nyamwe ego negi. Ogo si no respect for nenke. For nyamwa ego na yi. Ogo si no respect for nanke ye. Because owulo nyamwe respect for neye. Oya go negi. Owulo nyamwe respect for ne. Oya go na yi. So ogo negi. Je chonke dalauda. Je chonke fulapo. Fioko ye kubunigwe. Tueba. Ubebe. Je fioko ye mwe ye kubebe. This is the kind of people we are dealing with. Share this video. Metwaka na love and like button. Wolo nya wolo. Wolo nya wolo. Ezioku ka ya deku. Ezioku kayadeku. Equity and fairness. Do not be biased in your judgment. Oh, if ko fodun de nwanyi yeju eje kpolo nwa mmado na emewu nwa mmado emewu shefu na nke ahụ mmado mụrụ ya. The moment imelu kwa na ebe nwa nke no if you mapụta kwuna lenu because na nke ahụ nke ọ tụrụ ime full pain of motherhood na ebe onye nke ahụ no mana omahozi na nke ni ọ na-emewu mmadụ mụrụ ye. Omahozi na nke ni ọ na-emewu mmadụ mụrụ ye. So ngonwa as a Zionite bụrụ mmadụ eji okwute na igwe wee kpoo, eji chaka plate wee kpoo, mana nyanwa wo bụrụ mmadụ na isi mmadụ ka eji wee gbuo. So all do fine when they keep throwing stones at you, but they are always expecting you not to throw back. If I want mamife to them, what if they cautioned their people to be sinful? You see, for example, onya kita sere nketa na me nwe ha call every day na neighbor. Onya nwere ike wulu onye nwere ike feed them for 20 years. Olibo nni otutu. Olibo nni otutu. Olibo nni otutu. Mana ifuria. Mana ono na Facebook na asho nde nwe ha call. Ifuria. So now no kurie e serve kwa ye woto back. Nde mmadu ase okwa ifuria. That is their own idea. They want to bully you into silence so that they can take it as weakness over you. The more silent you become, the more power you give them to think that you are weak and they are strong. The moment you match your energy with their own, inferiority complex abatani imeha, he feel that you are overdoing it. that you are not supposed to be doing this, does it mean that you are signed to doing that? Ambassador of insulting people. So, why can somebody like J Park cautioned Ndotu Matthias kusene insult mado? Have you ever seen them? Ebehana caution their people about insulting other people. You gotta go? Violence Queen, Zion. Ignore. Nobody will ignore you. No single person will ignore you, in case if you don't know. Okay, accept all the reality that nobody will ignore you. So since you now know that nobody will ignore you, to have a free ride into becoming constituting nuisance, why can't you respect yourself? Yes, choosing is choosing. Zionite as Zionite. Okeke is okeke. Okafo is okafo. Nnemulo okeke dishe. Nnemulo okafo dishe. You gotta go. Nnemulo okeke dishe. Nnemulo na. Nde Zion had that tolerate nonsense. If you bring your nonsense, they will give you sense. So the Zionite, you should thank them because they are actually giving you sense. Yes, so you should be thanking them. You want to start behaving as if we live in animal kingdom. Yeah? You want to start behaving. Oh, ipomado feke malagumma mana ogo feke oyato to we iwe. Eh? Ifubo hodife. Ifubo hodife. Good luck, Simeon. I am telling Zionite, Eba, if they insult you, in fact, oh my God, it is me. Go and quote me. Quote me. Don't even miss it. Yes. Oh my God, wolo wapu yono. Oh God, ya my God, oh la na fufu. Oh la na fufu. Bayi no obalapota. O marona na vayo adohoma that you must not settle everything with vayo. You gotta go. You gotta go. So do not in any way give them free right in this ofekei. Iju we go sego na farma hife. You will ask yourself, as a Christian, you live a Christ-like life. So, your ancestor here represent, is he a nuisance? Or constitute nuisance? Or Isiagu? Or Fekeko? Or Ahabuloko? Why are you behaving? You are claiming that you are the image of your ancestors, and yet you are behaving like animal. Your ancestor or animal have been imofyako. I'm asking you. If you are telling me that you are representing your ancestors the same way we are living Christ-like life, you are telling me that you want to respect your ancestors, when your ancestors had violence in nature. I am asking you, hey, respect. Ha respect mad. Ha do source. Ha na pareta mad. Or if your ancestors, so you are confirming to us now that your ancestors are blessable mad. Is that what you are confirming to me? That na blessable mad? No, if you think that you can be behaving like an animal, are you not an image of somebody? If you are telling me that I should be behaving like Christ, who are you supposed to be behaving? That your ancestors, you are trying to uphold their way of living. Is this how they are behaving? Then that life is not worthy of going back to. Is it not simple? Is it not simple? But I don't blame some of you, because na anene well and amenene kanokwe today. So ufodo n'ime ha nde achoho clean up that foundation, we still remain in the image of anene. Deliko well because omotago otobagasoro mu nwanyi memuti somewhere. So for as long as na lineage Derico actually clean up that old mess none of their lineage, they will still be living and behaving in the image of Derico mama. What of Onyenusi? Onyenusi nwere ụmụ. Ọ bụrụ na ụmụ ya decide that they don't want to clean up that dirty foundation, they will still be behaving in the image and likeness of Onyenusi. Iyotago, Bowando Jo, Osama bin Laden, Onwenu. Ọ bụrụ na ụmụ ya actually clean up that dirty foundation, ha nọ n'enu. Emana ka ya atụkwa ogbunigwe somewhere else. Iyotago, ọka ukwu ụmụ ya. So I don't have any problem when I see some of you behaving the way you are behaving, because that image in Achishiga back, who knows how that person acted when they were alive. Ndeni atrotaya mwoko okwori nna mmadu ka hawo. Yes. Ndeni ekedolu na polu gbegbe. Ono bulo nna mmadu ka hawo. Ha nwere ụmụ. So o nwekwara ike wụrụkwa ụfọdụ ụmụ ha gbasara na Facebook bịa na constitute to use their hands. What I go? I don't know if you are getting what I'm saying. I am only trying to justify what you people are saying by saying that no one will monopoly over Igbo. Na ya gogwala unu iyi na ife na-ewedo unu iwe ewu na akpọrọ unu ife unu kpọrọ mmadụ. Ọwụnụ na ofe ka amaka ịkpọ nya mkpọ yes thank you, because ịkpọrọ nya can say thank you. Ịkpọ nya can say God bless you. So ịkpọ m ofeke m kpọgwala u ofeke sim thank you because no amaka. Thank you Alex machinara mbụ ha. Ndị niile ahụ wụcha ancestors nọchala ndụ. Ịghọtago? Ndị niile ahụ wụcha ancestors nọchala ndụ. Ma ụfọdụ ndị gbagidoro akwụna wee nwụọ. Ịghọtago? Ndị niile ahụ wụcha ancestors mmadụ ka ha wụcha. Ịghọtago? So if you don't want to take yourself away from that foundation, then I don't know what you want me to do for you. Because it's that as somebody who want to live a Christ-like life, that not supposed to go me your ancestors are, is that what they are known for? Is that who they were? My message to the Zionites all over the world. Like ike si wee do I see when this kind of energy I will. Obolo mmadụ niile ya enwe. Ọ bụrụ na ike do ha go gwalofa okpo onye ala jee na dictionary jee show advanced name for ala kpọọ ye ọ na-ebe akwanya na ebe ọmọ na ikpọ mmadụ onye ala adọ mma wee kpọọ ya. Look, they will come and talk. Look at this guy saying, "Oh, Wise Now TV." Yes, Kelebono can block Oyos, but Kelebono, thank you for calling my attention to that. Flumsy, Kelebono, okay. Thank you very much for up go. Let us continue. You want to go? Look at this guy, Wise Now TV. You gotta go. Imana sometimes asare na oho ebuka ibu or na nwa me to go na nwa ma gife. You gotta go. Because na ndị mmadụ na-ekwu okwu na-demand accountability na ebe mata ya asị nọ na donation ndị mmadụ na-emelie na Omenala hospital ya. You gotta go. Ibe Valentine, thank you. Let me do that right away. Done. Metuma can like, love, share this broadcast. No only share, happen if all had a men program here. They cannot bring us down. That is one thing that is sure. We have proven to them that they cannot bring us down. You gotta go. We have proven to them that they cannot bring us down, no matter what they do. Because now I know the part of the truth. If you now the reality, which you need to sit down, listen to my messages. Yeah. Anthony Nwoke the dalo onye Nnewi ibem ha se na maho onye Nnewi maka na nna agwa ha eziokwu ha wee sị na maho onye Nnewi go because now odu ka eji esi asị we manu ndị Nnewi amohom Wise Now TV we na ndị mmadụ na demand the accountability from Matthias. We because na ndị mmadụ na call out Matthias and their donation ndị mmadụ na-enye. But this is what they have been doing to pastors all along. Sometimes I'm on and that they need the Igbo isi without wisdom. Owurugodu nke onye nwụrụ anwụ ti ha wisdom aha n'isi ko fodo n'ime ha wee mara ife. I don't know why some people will continue to do something, dish out something they cannot gladly take. What I repeat in my dictionary, don't give the energy you don't want to receive. Don't give the energy you don't want to receive. If you think that criticism is the key, why can you not subject yourself to that criticism? Is it only you who should be criticizing others? According to JPAC, also that criticism is part of Ifaneme. But when people criticize you, you will become upset, you flare up, you even block some, you react. You answer in another way. Why can't you jump and pass? Why can't you jump and pass? For example, that thing I tell you yesterday about me. Let us even assume that na lefa ankulu about Ndelo choosing no ha, which is not even the case. Yes, of course, I clarified that yesterday. But let us assume that na that was the case. Only in Eba because Emetwa can love and share button. You other go? They are reporting this program. Emetwa can love and share button. They are reporting this program. Their nightmare is back again. You other go? Their nightmare is back again. Never talk and like na love and like button. You gotta go. Never talk and love and like button. They are reporting this program. Hashoka hakupu ye. Owulu ni filu nezugo ne mempugeli. Owulu ni filu nezugo ama ifo neku. Owulu ni filu nezugo ne waste time. Why are you bothered trying to disconnect me from giving that message? If that message is so useless as you claim, happy I can na basa mmiri no pute. Mane man even neku no na aba. You gotta go. Now we love and like with reckless abandon. You gotta go. Obi she the Andrew say I am a choosing. One neighbor on no see ke ebe on ma na ebe na ebi ike na ebi energy na ebi stamina. I'm telling you, life is more spiritual than physical. For the people who are living, a lot of things happen in the spiritual realm than physical. A lot of people flew today. They are just rigmaroli nation obosimoto ya gafe na nkoha ikukukusaha efuho danwo ewese una na onwo bia na ya kpo police we bia. You see, ụfọdụ amụọ na-ewuga akara aka ha na mmụọ ha na-erughegharịzi. Let me tell you, life is more spiritual than physical. Isi na ịmahụ, I have said this before. If that na-ebe niri mmụọ mmadụ, ọbụlọ the flesh ka a na-edebe n'akpati. Yeah? Kele ebe the spirit nọ n'ime onye ahụ ndụ. If you don't know that life is more spiritual. Life work more with that spiritual something nọ n'ime somebody tamper her with that spiritual being no whatever this physical body name, it's nonsense. It's nonsense. And they will for the 2 months before her herself. You what I go? So ebo name and ebe eno uphold more and that spirit on email. No labor and protect and defend it with reckless abandon. Oh, nobody no apology. Because onye if he juedo. Onwe for the fe ya we me but ebe nne mochie no. Hey netin na no ukwo na emu ye mefa nne mochie agwa ga ekwusi na ife ahụ na ịmahụ nke iji wee dụ ịma ife mere iji wee dụ so ọwụrụ na ebe ahụ ịnọ ka ife iluru kọvalụ iji wee dụ more protected nwanne nọrụsi ike ebe a lot of people nwere problem the moment ha disconnected onwe ha from the foundation ebe ha root onwe ha nwere problem immediately going back to that root again take ha they lost a lot so ịchọkwa nọlụ ka nda nwee light brain na soyalisi ka deceive. I was talking about Wise Now TV. They are good at throwing shade. They are good at accusing people. They are good at vomiting all manner of things. The moment you give them a little piece of ogufa, they can defend Matthias, but you cannot defend your daddy Go. They can defend their Omenala, but you cannot defend your Christian faith. Since you think we are up against your ancestors, why can't you allow your ancestors to come and fight for themselves? They are stronger than us. They are the people Mulai or Hameru or Hameru exist. We agreed. Why can't you allow them to come and take care of us? Can you take care of me more than my father? Yes. As a no Korea. If truly that what we are saying or what we are doing is not true, why can't you allow an Igbo? Why can't you allow our ancestors to stand up and fight for themselves? Why are you always on Facebook every morning shouting and jumping up? Since you think I should allow Jesus to come and fight for himself, why are you fighting for Chukwebuka Denso? If you can call on Chukwebuka Denso and Iwotoji, it means not so powerful that he can come and answer for himself. So, since I want to level all manner of allegation against them, since all Nanduke Bugohan had evil, Bohana Foundation had evil, why can't you allow them? Churches ni now do na Igbo yet an Igbo aswaluboha. Yes. Why can't you allow Ife do na Igbo to chase them out of an Igbo themselves? Why are you doing it yourself? So you can fight for your ancestors, but you don't want me to stand up and talk. You are playing. You are playing. You are playing. You are joking, man. You are joking, man. Everybody must not be P2B. They are radical politicians. They are gentle ones. They are radical pastors. They are gentle ones. It is everywhere. Onwe family Yahweh bata. Nwan kizizi ha anife. Nkodo jinwayo nwayo na-ekwu. Yes. But I will still leave it until you push the Lord choosing as far as you push Zion people. Don't forget that it has been close to 2 years now. Zion trend about. Yeah? But Lord choosing was just 3 days or 4 days old. Yeah? When Zion controversy started, 2 days, 3 days, in fact 5 months, the Zion no nebelo mwe ife ha na-eme hapụ unu. Unu chọ ha ka unu wuo ka unu kpama ebe ewu si efu. Ịghọtago? Ka unu kpama ebe ewu si efu. Ewe binie wee si unu na enough is enough. Unu bewe akwa. Akwa unu na-ebekwa n'ụwụ na mmiri unu na-eki mmadụ ka ọ ṅụọ ka a na-ekute na-ekishigakwa unu back ka unu ṅụọ. Unu jụrụ na ya nwe. Unu mmanụ na ọdụghọ mma. So, since ịma na ọdụghọ mma, why can't you come out and mmadụ dọka jee paaki ka nna agwa okwu akịta? Why can't you come out and condemn ekpari mmadụ? Why are you always making ekpari mmadụ to look like na ndị Zion kparịa mmadụ na ọdụghọ mma, mana ndị omerụ ala bụ ụzọ eziokwu kparịa ndị Zion na ọdụ mma? Why are you preaching this tolerance? No preach yes on the Zion. Why can't you preach the same tolerance to Ndo Mero Alabuse Zoku? Why have the tolerance after all and Ndo tolerating? That was why they live in a village settings about that face. Because Nafana tolerate each other more. Why can't you preach that message? Eh? Onyohi achohoke enwe wire fence everywhere. Onyohi achohoke enwe rindenche buegwa bagari nilo. Because no man oga ha agbatu ye. So if we had that fight against the way fire nwere ike ekwusi from a carry out that criminal activities here. Onushana yama ho. La. If you put body, you go collect. With no apology. With no apology. We don't owe that apology to anyone. I hope you know. So since mana na choosing etiozaga, manandeza yonwa gaga, it will help you now to behave yourself. Since you already know that in etiozo even the choosing nega, mana in etiozo even the zion no ya gaga, no nya ya mago. Why can't you respect yourself? Hey, what I go? Agwu mago, ijefe wa agwu mago amahom. Agwu mago amahom. Agwu suppose re mamu wego. Hey, what I go? Agwu suppose re mamu wa agwu ego. Hey, what I go? And the nyaka ne bebe agwu ahụ mam. Agwu suppose re mamu wa agwu ego. Ego do na family go. Agwu ego ka owo. I suppose ide bebe ka agwu ego ahụ mago. Ki ime dari ofuma karịa ndị nna nna go. Hey, what I go? Ki ime dari medano ofuma karịa nna go. Onya wifa na-ekwu. You gotta go. Some of us are even trying so hard to fit into the shoes our fathers say happen, even while they are still alive. I won't go down, but we are trying so much even fitting into that shoe happen. For the name a long way to go. I'm not going yeah? If it's all work happen, on Facebook, okay? You should be thanking in the Zion. You should be thanking Zion for bringing sanity to our Igbo youth. If not, for the name akago on animals, hachogo kahabido tabanu mado. Until in the Zion, say no, Zion say no. Let me take up this assignment. We should be thanking Zion suppose unande uniziki boyeta. Henye ya word. Nde UNN boye, henye ya word. The whole university is known as Southeast. Akai enyega Zion award for teaching our people discipline. Yes, moral education na high melumba, moral lesson na high melumba. Zion kuzirie very fast and swift, and people got it. Today they are only lamenting, but they are no more misbehaving. Because you know that when you do anyhow, you go see anyhow. Those days, Yahweh anyhow, you get away with anyhow, Agago. It is not now. Agago Monia. The hour of grace was too long for you people to adjust. Yeah? The hour of grace. I knew those days when the hour of grace was still very active. The hour of grace is over. If you do anyhow, you go collect anyhow. It is me as you go now, telling in the Zion, you need to equip yourself more. Just show more dictionary of Igbo. Omori ya go bofago. Emali yini na emali to a cast a book ekwensu. Eh? Emali to these people have proven to be that devil I know. Are you not aware? You got to go. Nda I will get ekwensu na agagari n'ime mmadu. Eman ekwensu na apota possess ya mmadu. So when you are rebuking them, when you are casting them, when you are binding them, you are not binding Emeka na ekwoku. It is not ejike ke na rebuku na cast. Or ekwensu ahụ nọ n'ime ejike possess le ejike. You got to go. Ke na cast if am I communicating? Remember that this ekwensu, you have not seen this ekwensu one-on-one. It only manifests through people. So when it manifests through people, kwoye duga. Mbahe na kwe duga. Obula Emeka Okonkwo ka ị na-akụ duga. O ekwensu nọ n'ime Emeka. Ekwensu apụ ha, Emeka enwere onwe. Am I communicating? Hallelujah. Hallelujah. You may not like Ezugo because I'm not a regular. I'm not saying it. Ufotunimunu has proven that Ekwensu possess gun. So if you don't need the duga. So I am telling you people, more. I want Zionite. Equip yourself more. Go and read more books on how to tell off people. If nana ogwaina konaba, we are getting at them. Oporona yaye getting at them. They will not be lamenting. Those days it was us talking about them, insulting. Do you remember those days? Go back to my videos last year. You will see where I was lamenting about insult from these people. You will see where I was begging these guys to engage in a civil conversation, to engage in a reasonable conversation. I was begging them. I was pleading. They gave deaf ear to Ifeneku. Now, it is them now crying about insult. Yeah? Go and read Ebuka Ebu's boy. If he's sure for you, do that. Oh? If he's sure for you, do that. No karobi. You ought to go. Do that. No karobi. You ought to go. Do that. No karobi. If he will, if he will watolo, if he will fake, he fe, ewu -1 to Ndi Igbo. You are -1 to Ndi Igbo. You ought to go. Generation nwelu -1. Hache na ha nwelu nwa. I only pity the family this way pota. You ought to go. Or people like you who bandit nwelu na Igbo. People like you. Because unaha like it. Yeah? Okay, also you repeat it again so that I can record it. Nde Zion, I repeat. I want you people to double. If I not double, triple. Jesho akwụkwọ ebe delu more insult. Yes. Jesho akwụkwọ ebe delu more insult. Ona fugo na nsi anyị na akọ na aba. If they insult you one, insult them 500, 1,000 and 1 million. I'm saying it. Oh my God, wolo oti wayanya. Nya, ishi pia yo wa target yebe ya we kuwe yo zaza. Koma na violence na every action will equal reaction. Yes. Said by Ezugo. They want you to preach love to them. Eh? Do they know what love is? Do they know what loves feel like? People who don't understand the language of love. You want to come and start showing the love. Do they know what love is all about? Do they know? They don't know. They don't know. So these people need the spiritual deliverance and physical deliverance. Because the devil no need now understand the both language. Sometimes a couple in a spiritual realm, it's in a physical realm, near technical knockout will disappear immediately. Yes. If not, kerife japia mateta ino ma jife. Yeah? E what I go? Emeka wanna kerife ege ofeka hante. Yeah? Why you stop giving that to fake relevance? E what I go? There is no fake relevance. Yeah? Okay, for the fact yeah? They should arrest Ezugo. But Matthias should be giving police officers. Yeah, that guy there. Okay, for now. If not, let somebody not even. You see? So, can even batalo na ezishanwa to ozioma. No me for joy. In fact, nwata nwere odi agwa ya awokpa. E wolu mgba ajala piapia my God n'anya. E we nyewezie yo nni nke mmụọ. Akuge physically. we nyezie ye spiritual food dowazie ye odo aha na adue na-ekwu otu Bible nni nke mmụọ ma na-enyegodo na ya nni nke anụ ahụ. Sometimes anụ ahụ na-need collect before anụ ahụ collect ha that spiritual one ozugbo adụ humble gee ntị ozugbo ịghọtago nwekwa ebe ọ na-eme ọdụ enyeghị nni nke mmụọ mana anyị ebugodo ụzọ nyebeghị nni nke mmụọ enyegideghị nni nke mmụọ fụ na nni nke mmụọ dụka ya sị na ị na-afụkwo n'ihe na ife awụ shuga na glucose ka a na-enyeghị akụja your physical body akụja your physical body you go nya ịghọta akụja your physical body ịghọta. So fago iyi for as long as they are not here to correct ịkpali mmadụ but they are here to correct some people akpadizina mmadụ mana ndị ọzọ kparịba ọkparị ahụ kparịgbara ya si ha na-ezugokwuru ya. Yes, si ha na-ezugokwuru ya. So ekwekwana ka ha welu abrakata abra ha na-ekwu maka ndị choosing were wee kajuo into silence na ebe fandu. Choosing is blessed. Zion is a Zion of Omechala Fancha, Okuchala Fancha, and Ofchala Fancha. You want to go? The slogan be different. They are two different people. You want to go? Mekene nunde choosing if you number Zion. You people are still starting. You want to go? Mekene nu hife unumende Zion. Eh? The Zion nonola. Unu wogido nwa anase onye eme nwa agụ aka n'ọdụ ma ọdụ ndụ ma ọ nwụrụ anwụ onye emetekwana nwa agụ n'ụla unu jụ sị na unu ya emeteriri nwa agụ n'ụla anaghị ụnụ na-anụ ụnụ afa na ịfụ unu na-emekwunu na sometimes nwekwunu onye nweghị element of ala n'ime but some people decided iwokpu nke ha. Onwere onye nweghị element of ala n'ime ha but some people decided iwokpu nke fa. Not that na osighi ike ịnụ ọgụ then ngụnwa amahọ na onye ahụ pụta ọgụ na ọ ya etiwu ịna atị once in a while onye ahụ apụta kụja ya akụja iwe mmalụ na ife ahụ mana onye ahụ mgbe nji ada atụwa ofu inu na ada atụba na etighi otu isi da ka ọ na-awị ala ọ ya adata ego. Ndị nna nna anyị kwuchara okwu niile ekwucha ha kwuchara okwu niile ekwucha. Nigerian church is a business center. I agreed with you. I agree with you. I agree with you. And omenala ụnụ anyị na-eme kịta ọbụlọkwa nke ndị nna nna anyị ha mere wologono o nwere ife mfụrụ onye amụma arị njidere ebe a kele ebe ọ nọ o nwere ife ndero kele ife ahụ onye arị njidere ebe a kọmentị ahụ agbapụna. Your mates in China are productive. See wetin you dey do your life. Onye arị nji ngo nwa sef afụbo okpoto kago megodo half of ife mmegolo megodo half of nke mụnwa megoro mụ na onye Nigeria. You are in Nigeria, I am in Nigeria. Ịnọrọ na China, anọrọ na China. Megodo half of nke mmegolo ba ya. Yes, megodo half of nke mmegolo ba ya. O si ide enye mkpọtụ wife ụnụ na-amụ enye. Ọ na-anyegara ya mkpọtụ very visionless people. No single vision. Na hospital church is lụchalụ more than 50 years ago, 60 years ago. Ka ụnụ na-apụtara nyaahụ jere ntị ya flat. Ụnụ na-akwụ n'elu. That is what innovation means to you people. Yeah? That is the kind of hospital you see in China. Is that not so? Yeah? Is that not so? Is that not so? I don't blame you, onye arinji. Ekwugo nye ekwuo. Ịmapụta na monetize ya page go. So, that shows what you are here on Facebook to do. You have monetized your first page. You have monetized your second page. None of my page has been monetized yet. Enwe followers more than you. And enwe engagement more than you. My page elugo monetization monetize a long time ago. Ngonwa alachapu n'ọsọ je monetize your page. You ne feed easy na gullibility of ndị ụnụ na-aghọgbu China ụnụ anọla ebe a ụmụazị be anyị eje na-ebunata teknọlọji na-ebunata na Naijiria hia na-implement hia Ebuka Ebus boy iwu ezigbote ewu iwu ezigbote atụrụ empty vessels everywhere empty vessels everywhere empty very empty a na-enyegharị mkpọta ebe niile ọ na-enọ na Lagos bịa ma itie na gate ya spanda today ka m nwere useti example ka ị mara nọ na Facebook ka ụnụ na-agba ụja na onwe ife unu ya eme in real life. So onye amụma arenji ngalala m ife anyị ka na-emeghi ya ịlachapụ na ọsọ ozugbo je monetize ya Facebook page gị ozugbo je monetize ya Facebook page gị immediately ka ị nalụ iwe ego ị nalụwana na ego ife idiwe na their gullibility ọ na-atọgụ ebule muongo everyday China. But tell me one single thing ịmụta from ndị China. Tell me one single thing ịmụta from ndị China. All ndị ahụ ekwu okwu, all ndị enweghị ife ha na-ekwu wụ ha mụta something je na-ebunata na-replicate here in Nigeria. Every day na-enyegharị mkpọtụ. For this, my brother Justin Chijoke, send the Garikwa request again, or you can exit the program, then ebatakwa again. Exit the program, ebatakwa again. Onyamuma Iri wono nda ono fenkupo now. Apart from content on akolo onwe obulu pan la mo bia kwu okwu ka inu ife inekwu nwere anything inekwu every day China. Tell me one single thing imegolu here anything technology iwo batana goluba here. Tell me one single thing onwe ho amosim ndị na akuziri maka China unu na-ekwu your mates are in China. Kelunde na gwazie. Why can't you start and show us what it means for somebody to behave like in the China? What if you know here? Kelonyi na gwazi your mates are in China. I want to see what my mates are doing in China through you. Don't tell me about in the China no here. Obi Kubana can tell me your mates are moving businesses. Your mates are concerning deals. Asimo okay. Obidu Kubana na deals or concern goal. Not the then Bilod can tell me your mates are moving with technology. Your mates are enenu nyanya for okay na business ya na this guy or organize your way online on oreba na emife. Bishop also but I say your mates are bringing development back to their people. Your mates are adding to humanity. Eneme anya fifo na-eme. Ngonwa wonya amụma harinji na asim your mate in China. Ngonwa my mate in Nigeria. What are you doing? You are my mate in Nigeria. Let me leave those ones from the China. Onye China ka odole isim your mate in China, not you. Oboloku ki Igbo dokayo. Ana me defend Jesus. Ngonwa na defend ndị nna ha ndị nwụrụ anwụ. Ị na defend ndị nwụrụ anwụ. Ndị ka mma. Your ancestors they did not even enjoy half of good life you are enjoying today. They wish in a hard to see today. Some of these your ancestors defend. They wish that they are alive to see today. It is the prayer of every father that their sons and their offspring should do far more better than them. It is the prayer of every father. Even mwa neba. Ana me pele no mumu ye me mekaria ife melu. My father na-ekpe na mụnwa ya eme mekarịa ife nyanwa melu. Iwatago Oluwa CJ, that your ancestors who melugo ke carry men in exile without coming back. Those your ancestors melugo ke remain in exile without coming back. those your ancestors no silent for inele sicha anaha dewelu ha kolunine ile unele kwosicha ne, yet they could not stand up to fight for themselves. Yeah? E what I go different na those your ancestors no. Inele kwasi ananine ha dewelu, they couldn't even come out to fight for themselves. Yes. If I know Yamumari Jana Bagari, it's not your usual and they're gonna have a gem. I am giving you very important fact. It's on Amegale. I'm a bohunden down someone bano civil war. In a Mekonibo. In a Mekonibo. You are not behaving like an Igbo man. You are not behaving like an Igbo man. You are comfortable with the peanut to Mark Azoka Napo. Yeah? Yeah? You are comfortable with the peanut azoka, mark azoka na ko. Why you made you to eager to monetize? I can monetize my page tomorrow. But ego ni now. Onya marriage. Ego ni now. Mark azoka na ko in a month. Eji nya boy fu na moto. Ema. Ego ni now. Mark azoka na ko in a month. Olu ego nji atazo. What go? Olu ego nji atazo. Olu ego eje eli a full package of fried rice or jollof rice na nke salad na new. What I go oluhe. So chuwe go Facebook. Go Facebook can natural. Okay, so you want to know we bone straight and 1.5 million. You want to know we bone straight and 1.8 million. You want to know we custom bone straight and 3.something million. That is where people like us are thinking. You want to go? That is what many of us are thinking. That is how far many of us are thinking to expand our business. You want to go? When we can meet the demand and orders in the Madunenye from all over the world. In all natural, ebia kogeria kamaka zo kan chawi ngobelego. Kon chawi wanchanchego. Nyakunu GM mislead in the buy. Yeah? Nyakunu GM mislead in the buy. Yeah? Okay, if you go na ebe na blow your mash. Since if you go na this shoe, do oversize more than you. The only thing you can do is to exit here. Yeah? Go and face your fellow Facebook content creators. The monetized men. Go and face them. Yes. Just face here. If you don't want to be on Facebook, call nonsense from 1st of January to the last. At the end of the day, Facebook are call gullibility of others. You are happy. You are enjoying. Esi na eri ndu kele. Ngunwa wonya muma renjeri heri. Kele onye obodo ewu. Tell me onye obodo ewu. I want to come to your community so that I will know the value you have added to your community. I want to know who you are. I want to know who you are. Those are people who has added value to their people. Ogem post to maka bilod. You came out. Ogem post to na bilod na alo church. You came out ebia nyagasiono. Look at you, Wanza. You came out ebia nyagasiono. Yeah? Somebody will a workforce of over how many Igbo people that are working for him? As little as into bilod dodo. Bilod will over 1,000 people na alo yolo. Yeah? Over 1,000 people. Yeah? Na alulu yolo na akwụgwọ every month Ndi Igbo. Epota ebia nyagasi ono n'ọlụ. No ji ego chụtalụ welu church. Ngonwe chụta gị ego yejuru okwu alụsị. Echụta gị ego iyeju welu okwu alụsị. Yeah? Tụkọta na ego je lụọ permanent site ebunu yeji aka ụka. Chutagodu na ego je lụọ permanent site ebunu yeji aka ụka. Lemeni bo he. No somebody woputala ego no church e mapụta nwanza doka o mapụta ebiakwu okwu go na bilod awụkwa na mate mana ebe niile China ahụ ị na-ekwu okwu ijego China ahụ China ahụ ị na-ekwu okwu ijego China ahụ ị nwere idea na ụfọdụ ndị ahụ ị na-agwa your mate in China na ha ejego China fa ife mate ye in China na-eme ngwụ ijego China ị na-enene China na film na-agụta China na akwụkwọ na-enene na Facebook Ijego. Thank you for being here today. Let me serve you a little bit of vendors on our collect. Mako nwere ma vendors on our collect eba. Collect yanke today as it hot. Ijego China. Ijego onyamumarenji. Ijego Abuja. Apart from mgbe abondo kasadin. Apart from mgbe abondo for kasadin je mgbe mata asisi na detention wepụta. Okay, Ibe. Debate between Onyamuma Renji and Ezugo today by 8 p.m. in the night. 8 p.m. Nigerian time. Debate between Ezugo and Onyamuma Renji by 8 p.m. this night. Onyamuma Renji, if he short for you, put body. If he short for you, come and collect. 8 p.m. this night. Ezugo and Onyamuma Renji. Mma gidoga afa by 8 p.m. today on Traditionen that program. Onwe ife ma ya gwa ekwufo na abani ejo na ya bata mma ekwugidu ife onwe ife ma ya ekwufo makayo on Traditionen that program. Come and collect bia kan nye you a piece of sense. Ke collect your sense. Omo nwamba nshi enwebo ife hafuru. Every day when you go to America. Ufodu n'ime ha ijebu kwa America no wa ha. Ụfọdụ n'ime ha ejebukwa ụfọdụ n'ime ha sef ejebukwa Cross River ma ọ kasịna. Ụfọdụ n'ime ha ejebukwa Cross River ọ kasịna before. Eba ha ya ka n'ọnụ ọsịgo ije obodo when you come to Bendosha No. Nwachukwu prestige. No. Achọrọ nka m tiye ebe o belong. O nwere ebe m chọrọ itiye. Happy. Ị mara nna adụ so happy. Ị ghọtago? Ị mara nna adụ so happy. I meet some of them. It's just that they keep running away from me. Ha na-agba ọsọ. Ife na-achụ ha nwa dịka amahọ. Ha na-agba ọsọ. They keep running away, but I like facing them. Ị ghọtago? Oluwasi ije owo na ihe ofeke ya mari na Maazị Dibiawo the first person challenge ogbo ọsọ. Maazị Dibiawo the first person challenge ogbo ọsọ. I decoded two of his lies. Kolo or block one. He blocked me even without engaging me. I hammered the head Light of Africa severally. He blocked me even without engaging me. Those guys can only be playing with your brains. With Ezugo, in 2 seconds. Yes. In 2 seconds. Or people like me. I challenged Maazị Dibia first. I decoded 2 of his lies. Yes. I decoded 2 of his lies. Or block one. Muna yokolono. Muna yakohono. Muna ya mahaka. Muna ye meheneted. The only thing you we block no nje na page full gotoro. Abia na my page kowari ende mmadụ or block one ka ngari fuzie kowadeweli ende mmadụ. The same thing he had the Light of Africa mail. Yeah? You got to go? O we will onye amụma renji bịa na mgbede ebe 8 ka m gwọtọkọ gasa na bịa na mgbede ebe 8 ka m gwọtọkọ gasa na ka m were reality unu na preach we so ka m gwa na ọhọ ife dere na akwụkwọ ka anyị bịara ikwu ebe we are talking about reality, my friend. We are talking about reality. We are talking about reality. So, what is my message to you? The measure they give you, make sure that they receive that same measure. Give it back to them. Woto. You want to go? You want to go? Eh? I didn't hear him auto. Your mate in China, your mate in America. Let us talk about your mate in Nnewi. Eh? Let us talk about your mate in Onitsha. Let us talk about your mate in Lagos. Viam, your mate in China. Do you know what your mate in Ike God, Jolly, Imahu not, Ike God, a devoted member of EFAC. He even built a personal chapel. Let us talk about that your mate. Eh? Let us talk about that your mate in Oboe market. You are talking about your mate in America. You are talking about your mate in China. But your mate in Nigeria here are doing exploit. They are making difference. They are creating impact. Yeah? They keep talking about their ancestors, but they keep giving example with Ndocha. Everything for them to justify what is good is Bendocha. When it comes to issue of religion, they rush back to Africa. Yes. I mean, everything they want to justify about what is good, they will always use Bendocha. The only place where they will rush back to Africa here is when it comes to the issue of religion. You see them, they will rush back here. But with that their old method, I expect them to be giving reference to they will tell you our ancestors. You will not see them give that kind of example. They will keep giving you example with China, with America, with Ebenine. Are those people practicing that same thing your ancestors were practicing? The answer is no. Was it because of what your ancestors practiced that those countries became great today? The answer is no. Why do you give example with A, then you rush back to go and give us B as solution? I am asking. Yeah? I'm asking. If your mate in China, I was actually waiting for him to tell me what my mate in Nnewi, what they are doing. He rushed to go and start telling me about my mate in China. Abumonye China. Abumonye China ka Abumonye America. They are not even proud of their home. They are not even proud of their own people. Yeah? They are not even proud of their own people. I know you will run. I know you will run. So since one day you summon courage. I challenge you to, in fact, if you prove everything beyond reasonable doubt, the viewers will confirm that I will make instant transfer of 1 million into your account. I challenge you to come this evening. I will not be the judge. I will allow the viewers to be the judge. In fact, go and recruit more people to come and manipulate. If I will make instant transfer of 1 million naira into your account. If it's sure for you, put body. If it's sure for you, put body. He had the baloso. When you're married, Mazidibia boss or Wolungu when you boss. So you are not even a force. You are just reporting what other people are saying. You are not a force. You want to go? You are not a force. I go now. You are just a content creator cashing out. So I go. You are busy growing pages. You grow page in monetize here. You grow another one and monetize here. You grow another one monetize here. Yeah. No, 1 million not the last again, but I want to give it to him. Let me give it to him as a token. You want to go? Come this evening by 8 p.m. if it's sure for you. It's like when you're married, so I'm not come this evening Sometimes engaging you people, I fear can sheer waste of time. For example, look at your mate in China. What really happened if we are talking about going back to our root? If we are talking about going back to who we are, why do you keep giving an example with China, America? Is that who we are? Do they represent anything that has to do with our originality as Igbo people? Why can't you make reference to people like Louis Ojukwu and the likes of them who made Igbo people proud? Each time, even Mbowakanonisi, people like Louis Ojukwu and Newi, they made impact. Look at how somebody like Ekenetrichku Ilodibe helped to remodel the transportation system of Nigeria. You are not even asking yourself, do we have such people who are proactive in today's youth I way today? That should be your area of thinking, and not China, America, USA. Yet you keep talking about going back to your own root. Your own root, we say in any of those places in Abo. Instead of you to look at your mate in Onisha, you are looking at your mate in China. Eh? You see, that is why in USA no foduni mono adoro critical in thinking. Yeah? Here you are trying to tell us what your people and your ancestors are capable of doing, but you keep giving us example of what our mate in America. You are comparing us now with, you are even comparing your ancestors with your mate now in America. What happened to your mate in Nigeria? Yeah? I'm asking you. Some of you have given up. When they go up on anything, everything that makes you Igbo. Illegal no bigu. Eba fedugo. Iwonyu mudioka man. Illegal ya no bigu. Jebiri no mushu. You have denied yourself that first originality and your original as onye umudioka. You did it yourself. Peraram. Ila no bigu. Bwana America. Jone ya natazio. Noruzie ba na agba mwa. Jeponu mwa na echu newi ka na echu mmiri.